Hey, what's the What's it, guys? So finally, freezing winter is gone and spring is coming. But there are some unwanted visitors every spring in South Korea, and they are called the fine particles. The fine particles are known to be generated from factories, exhaust gas, cars, blah blah blah, and as they spread all over the city, they not only make us hard to breathe, but they are also extremely harmful to our health. So I always wear a mask like this, and it has several problems. First, it smells awful. And when I'm wearing this, it makes me even harder to breathe. But the biggest problem is, this is not cool. Look at this. It just looks like I'm wearing a baby diaper. Huh? So I posted a question about how to deal with this problem on our Facebook channel, and one guy suggested that I should make a gas mask that has an air cleaner in it. So I decided to accept that suggestion since I thought it was a great idea. And thank you, bro. We are currently making a new logo sticker, and I'll send you some as our small tokens of our appreciation. So, let me introduce Mr. Stormtrooper MK1! Woo! So, this is a famous character in my favorite movie, Star Wars, and actually, it is 3D printed and it took about almost 2 days. And so now I'm gonna wear this helmet. How do I look?
Oh, it looks like jerk.
Well, as you may notice, this doesn't have jaws. And that's actually because our 3D printer just broke down in the middle while printing this model. So I got it fixed, and now it's printing only the lower parts. And it's pretty sad that we didn't make it at once, but since it needs to be sanded and painted, it doesn't really matter if we print them separately and then put together. Then let me show my plans for making this stuff. So we need a filter to block the dust, so I bought this filter, air cleaner filter from the internet, and it is called HEPA filter, maybe. I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyway, HEPA filter. And since the helmet is blocked, so the air would not be circulated well, so I'll put this cooling fan behind the filter. But there is something missing here. You know who we are? We are engineers, and we love geek stuffs. So I thought it would be much more awesome if it could tell us how bad the air condition is in real time. So what I'm gonna basically do is I put an HUD, a head-up display here, and you might know Google Glass, a transparent display that put in your front of your eye. So what I'm gonna do is I put an OLED display here so I can monitor the current air condition while I'm wearing it. In addition to that, I got this toy megaphone. So it can support some kind of voice modulation that the original Stormtrooper has. By the way, you might wonder what happened to the motorized camera slider project. We apologize for that, and actually we had a lot of things to do this week. So the remote controller, you see, the remote controller for the camera slider is quite complicated. Yeah, I know the wiring is terrible. Focus, focus, please, focus. Not me. Here, yeah. So it is quite complicated, and we didn't have enough time to do that. What actually happened is, since we have some fund issues, we applied for some programs that support little creators like us. So we had some interviews on Monday and Tuesday, and it went well, and the result will be announced on this Friday. And if we get the chance, it will be possible to make much more fun stuff since they give a lot of money. So please cross your fingers for us, and you know, always the best support is that you guys like and subscribe our channel. So we're gonna do the slider project a little bit later, and in the next video we're gonna make the awesome Stormtrooper dust-free air cleaner helmet. in real. And you guys who are students just like me would be really busy these days preparing for the midterm exam. So I hope you guys the best luck. See you in the next video. Woo!